This is an old bathtub, abandoned bathtub that we have rescued and we're putting it to some good use as a water body. And why these water bodies are most essential for biodiversity garden, natural garden and all that is because of these tadpoles. So in my estimation there must be few thousand of them. So all these are going to become little frogs and hop out. And become frogs, and they'll eat mosquitoes and control the place and make it eco-friendly and provide food for some birds and the snakes and all who eat these frogs. And all that can happen in a little water body like this one. And also spiders, glitters and all gather up. So I couldn't find any fish in Bangalore rivers despite intensive searching, so I settled for some aquarium fish to put here, and lot of native plants also we planted. Brahmi, that is that Bacopa moneri, then Alternanthera sessile, that one Sopo, then this Aponogeton, that one, very hardy plant, then Colocasia and Acorus calamus, then some rice also I am growing there, that is rice. Then one more new aquatic plant, two are there. This one grass. Then this is a cryptocorain. So half a dozen species are there, and frogs are multiplying very happily. Tomorrow I must do a detailed video on this.